Hey, cake lovers, have you ever cut into a cake and boom! There's a hidden surprise inside? I'm talking candy explosions, hidden designs, or even secret messages baked right in. These surprise inside cakes are like the gift that keeps on giving. And trust me, they're as fun to make as they are to eat. Believe it or not, surprise inside cakes have been around for a while. They started gaining traction in the early 2000s when bakers decided cakes could be more than just delicious. They could be interactive. And let's face it, who doesn't love a little drama when cutting into dessert? To make one of these beauties, you'll need the usual cake ingredients: flour, sugar, eggs, butter, and of course, your surprise element. Think candies, colorful layers, or even shaped cutouts hidden inside. Oh, and don't forget a ton of frosting to keep it all together. Here's a pro tip. The more vibrant and fun your filling, the bigger the smiles when people see it. When baking meets creativity, the possibilities are endless. Try a candy-filled piñata cake for a birthday bash. Skittles, M&Ms, whatever you love. Or how about a checkerboard design that reveals itself slice by slice? Feeling extra fancy? Go for a layered rainbow heart, or even spell out a secret message inside. If you want to see surprise inside cakes done by the pros, check out Duff Goldman's Charm City Cakes. Their custom creations are next level. And if you're in London, Peggy Porschen makes gorgeous hidden design cakes that are perfect for any celebration. So whether you're baking one yourself or admiring these edible works of art, surprise inside cakes prove that dessert can be so magical. Go ahead, surprise yourself and your guests with a cake that's full of sweet secrets.